Thanks for staying with us at 5, everyone. It is a trend worrying doctors. COVID cases are rising in every state, and the health risks are growing for people who have not received a COVID vaccine.
The sharp rise in cases is causing some areas to reissue mask mandates. Just today, Los Angeles County put mandates back in place regardless of vaccination status. Austin, Texas did the same last week. And nearby Chicago issued travel restrictions on unvaccinated people coming from Missouri and Arkansas, two states seen an outbreak of cases involving the Delta variant. But how likely are these restrictions to return to Dane County?
Talil Mohadeen asked local health experts about this possibility. Talil?
15 counties in the state of Wisconsin, including Dane, are still working through high levels of positive coronavirus cases, many caused by the Delta variant. This news actually affects everyone, vaccine or not.
Well, I think we should be prepared to go back to a place where everyone will be wearing masks again, regardless of vaccination status.
Prepared, but not a guarantee, according to UW's Dr. Nasya Safdar. Still, she says a return of an area mask mandate is possible.
These decisions may often need to be made quickly because, you get 10 cases a day, and that doesn't mean 20 the next day. It means 100 the next day because of the way the virus multiplies.
The state's Department of Health Services says there's a clear trajectory with new cases.
It's likely, based on what we've seen on the small sample of specimens that we have sequenced, that the Delta variant, if not already, is going to be attributable or most new cases, the majority of new cases are going to be attributable to the Delta variant.
They say the virus is continually mutating and adapting because of pockets of vulnerability, areas with a smaller population of vaccinated people.
When cases are circulating around you and the case count is going up, then vaccine becomes one of those things that is still the linchpin of protection, but it's no longer the sole thing. And even with Delta, it's highly effective, but it's not as effective as with the wild type. So the difference between, 80% plus with Delta versus the 90% plus with the other, it turns into significant numbers of people when you translate it to the population.
However, Dr. Safdar says we do have one advantage in our fight against the virus. We aren't starting from zero.
There are these platforms for vaccines that can be easily modified to attack whatever variant is circulating. So in the future, I expect that would be the case.
We reached out to Dane County Public Health for information about a possible return of a mask mandate. They were unavailable for an interview, but in a statement to News 3, they did stress the importance of getting vaccinated.